two journeys, each shining in their own universe, until fate changed everything. A connection, a chemistry, a spark that turned into the Kim Pao phenomenon. What began as two separate stories became one journey shared by millions of hearts. Tonight,
can you believe? Nandito tayo sa San Francisco!
Yes, we're from Brazil. May mga galing iba-ibang
Alam
areas.
mo, pinag-usapan lang namin ni Pao sa airplane, may manonood kaya sa atin. OMG!
Meron, marami at ramdam na ramdam namin ang energy nyo. Ibang klase.
Yes, alam mo, Pao, bagay na bagay talaga na nandito tayo ngayon. At nito, at oo, dito. At dito ang first stop ng ating world tour.
Yes, pero bakit naman bagay na bagay?
Alin tayo?
Ah.
Ala! Super na talaga! May bagay na bagay na dito tayo nagsimula kasi feel na feel talaga natin na love is in the air. Tama ba?
Oo nga, na-feel din nila. Totoo naman, at simula pa lang to ng show namin, kaya marami pa kayong abangan, ma'am.
Yes, feel na feel talaga natin na red na red. Kahit yung mga upuan nila, red na red talaga!
Dito sa Redwood City.
Yes, it is the Redwood City. Is it the city of love?
Hindi, Iloilo yun.
Ha?
Iloilo yun.
Iloilo?
Oo.
Paris?
Tsaka, saan? Sa Kagaan.
Ala, super! Ang galing. Ang
Teka lang.
dami ditong mga
Oo.
taga-ibang lugar. Tama ba?
May question na ako. Saan ba masarap tumakbo dito? Ha? Sa Golden Gate? Ang dami.
Ano?
Teka, saan naman masarap mag-date dito?
Ala! Lang! Saan ba?
Sa Golden Bridge ba? Kung saan tatakbo doon din daw yung date.
Ay, from Brazil? Oh my gosh! Obrigada, Brazil! Am I right?
Portuguese ba ang Brazil? Portuguese?
At syempre, one more time!
Andito pa lang namin na.
Diyos kong mga anak! One more time for Kim Pao! Grabe, kinilig ba kayo? Sobrang pagpapakilig ang ginawa nyo, Kim and Pao. Nakita nyo naman ang reaction ng mga taga Redwood City! Isang malakas pa na hiyawan at sigawan! At
Tatagpo ng mga mundo, may minsan lang na natugtong, damang-dama na ang ugong nito. Di ba ba sapat ang sakit at lahat na hindi ko ipararanas sa'yo?
Ibinubunyag ka ng iyong mata, sumisigaw ng pagsinta.
At di papatulan, pagsulong ng kulang, tayong umaasa, hilag at kanluran.
Ikaw ang hantungan at bilang kalungan mo, ako ang sasagip sa'yo.
Ayan!
Kay tagal kong sinusuyan ang mundo para hanapin ka. Mula ngayon,
Pag-ibig ko'y sa'yo, asahan mo. Mula ngayon, pag-ibig ko'y sa'yo, asahan mo. Mula ngayon, pag-ibig ko'y sa'yo.
Hindi na umabot si Pao. Bye, Pao!
Maligaw man at mawala at umikot man sa kawalan,
Dahil sa bawat kailan,
sino't saan, ikaw lamang ang
kasagutan.
bawat kailan ko
Nakahintay,
unti ko
ko nakita ang bawat daan ko
ay patungo
sa'yo.
Yes! Ang bawat daan.
sumubok. You made me a big winner, and my dreams became bigger.
Thank you po sa pagtitiwala. Thank you sa suporta.
Sina Sinamahan niyo akong maniwala sa mga dreams ko. Dahil naniwala kayo sa akin at dahil sa inyong pagmamahal at suporta, nandito tayo ngayon. Destiny, di ba? 20 years later, I look back at this incredible journey. The memories, the lessons, the dreams that slowly came true. Pag natikman mo yung sarap ng buhay, ay ang sarap pala. 20 years of moments that changed my life. And the truth is, none of this would have been possible without you.
Sa araw-araw, hindi naman laging masaya. Pero sa tulong ninyong lahat na nakikita ko na masaya kayo. Pati ako nasisiyahan.
Kaya gusto ko sabihin sa inyong lahat, from the bottom of my heart, thank you. Maraming salamat. Salamat, Jud, kaayo. Thank you for growing with me. Thank you for believing in my dreams. And thank you for giving me a love that has lasted 20 beautiful years. Samahan niyo ulit ako sa next 20 years. Walang iwanan ha. Next 20 years, let's go! Love, Kim.
Turns out I had you turned out. What's my mood? Try me, come find out. One more time. Stop trying to read my mind. I'm not her, she's not me, and you're not mine. No, never made no one like you before. You had to make your own sunshine, and now the sky's open. Paolo Amelito!
Meron akong natutunan sa maraming taon ko sa aking showbiz career. Passion is the reason to keep going. 20 years ago, nagsimula ang lahat because I was curious. I was curious to tell stories. I was curious to become better. To tackle every opportunity with honesty and authenticity.
Sumusuko ka na ba o lalaban ka?
And that's when I was reminded of something important. That every journey needs three things. To have a dream, to believe in that dream, and to survive along the way.
I want people to see me as an actor.
Dream, because without dreams, life becomes stagnant.
Watch the flow and be with the flow.
Believe, because just in believing that you can achieve the simplest things in life gives you the strength and drive to move forward.
Masarap sa feeling and nakakataba ng puso.
And survive, because most of the time, surviving means swallowing your ego and pride. And through it all of you have witnessed and been part of my story. 20 years of stories, 20 years of growth, 20 years made possible because people like you chose to stay. Maraming salamat for believing in my dreams. Maraming salamat for walking this road with me. At maraming salamat sa pagiging bahagi ng aking journey. Patuloy niyo akong binibigyan ng inspirasyon araw-araw. Kaya ang paalala ko hindi lamang sa sarili ko, kundi pati na rin sa inyong lahat. Chase your dreams, just believe, and survive. Love, Pop.
Give up forever to touch you, 'cause I know that you feel me somehow. You're the closest to heaven that I'll ever be, and I don't wanna go home right now. And all I could taste is this moment, and all I could breathe is your life. 'Cause sooner or later it's over. I just don't wanna miss you tonight. And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think
Super kayo naman, hindi na kayo mabiro talaga ba? Kanina ba kayo talaga? Pero I love the energy, Redwood City. Kaya niyo bang magganito? Okay, can you do it together? Music please!
Made up a lost time. Need you to spell it out for me. Bossa Nova on all night. It's like a tidal alchemy. Introduce me to your best friend. I can come and slide right in. A satellite and even that far. I kinda wonder where you are. Already know I can leave it alone. You're on my mind. Already gave you the time and the place, so don't be shy. Just come meet the man I need. Tell me you got something to give. I want it. I kinda like it when you call me wonderful. Whatever the time we took it is, come on in. I gotta know you're meant to be the man I need.
Told me how you control me. You bend and you fold me any way you please. It must be easy for you to love me things that you do, but just the best done for you. I could never be, and I never know, girl. If I give for a reason, let the reason be love. Don't love me for fun, girl. Let me be the one, girl. Love me for a reason. Let the reason be love. Isn't what you're asking? I'll have to pass, girl. I have to take a stand. Everything you gotta say, 'cause it's only messing with my mind, so right. I'm just a little old-fashioned. It takes more than physical attraction. My initial reaction is hard to give me love. Let me see me off. Don't love me for fun, girl. Let me be the one, girl. Love me for a reason. Let the reason be love. Don't love me for fun, girl. Let me be the one, girl. Love me for a reason. Let the reason be love. Don't love me for fun, girl. Let me be the one, girl. Love me for a reason. Let the reason be love. Don't love me for fun, girl. Let me be the one, girl. Love me for a reason. Let the reason be love. Itingin sa'kin, mapupungay mo mga mata. Wala ako takas sa nakakalunod mong ganda.
Halika na, tingnan mo lang ang aking mga mata. Huwag kang titingin na sa iba.
Akin ka na, wala nang iba.
Ang dito ko hanggang sa
Tahimik ko na puso sa'yo, lahat na sigaw. Gusto kang kaligis sa panahon maginaw. Huwag mo sana akong iwasan. Guguho mundo ko, huwag mo kong iiwanan. Nung nakilala ka, bigla kang ginanahan. Basta kakampi ka kahit sino kalaban. Tatamaan.
Pwedeng salingin, kahit nandito ko bawal kang apihin. Talagang langit lubang pagdidikitin. Baka nalakas ko yung limong patingin. Yes, sarap mong mahalin.
Kaya ikaw na makarating. Hanap pa rin ang iyong hapin. At kahit ano man ang mangyari, sa'yo pa rin uuwi. Palagi.
If you know the song, you can sing with us.
Sa huli, palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mo, iyo ako. Palagi.
May tatlong show pa tayo. Kung balikan na ang hirap luhat lahat, ikaw ang paborito kong desisyonan. At napaligiran ng ingay at ng kulong, di ka papapalit, ngiti mo sa mundo.
Oh, eto tayo sa huli, palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa huli, palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo.
Ulitin man, nais kong malaman,
Iyo ako. Sa pagdating ng aming pinagkakito,
diamante may abutin, ikaw
ikaw pa rin ang kikiuwin. Natalangin kong dalangin lang sa huling sa'yo.
sa huli, palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo.
Mahal sa huli, palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mo, iyo ako. Palagi